Halo semua, apa kabar?
We got kids as well. So many kids here. So I will get the plates. Okay, Sophie. So, what is your experience with Indonesian food so far?
It was good experience. Vegetables, fruits,
And so many unique vegetables. Yeah, we don't have back home.
yeah, sure.
This is because you're vegetarian.
Oh, wow.
Okay. Right?
But
Not perfect, but yeah. Habis kemarin dari Italy, so she still have the Italian. Ta-da! Can you try?
yeah. Halo semua, apa kabar?
Semoga semua baik-baik aja ya. Nah, ini teman saya Sophie dari Ukraina. Saya senang banget ya dia main hari ini di rumah saya. Terus ya nanti kita diapain, terus kita ngomong apa, harus nonton video ini ya. Tapi sebelum nonton video ini jangan lupa subscribe dan loncengnya juga ya.
Mbatina Bules Adventure.
Nah, so what are we doing here today? We are just talking a little bit with my subscribers, so everybody can meet my beautiful friend Sophie.
Thank you so much.
So Sophie, where are you from? Let them know.
I'm from Ukraine. It's neighbor's country, like
It's
as
Romania. Amazing. So we are neighbor countries, but I've never visited Ukraine. Have you ever been to Romania?
No.
No. You see, we are so close, and we meet in Indonesia.
Yeah.
Jadi Ukraina dan Romania, gimana ya bahasanya, tetangga, gitu ya, neighbors. Tapi aku belum pernah ke Ukraina dan dia belum pernah ke Romania juga. Kita ketemu di Indonesia. Okay, so what are you doing here in Indonesia?
I came here actually for modeling, so I'm doing modeling here.
Great.
So different jobs, fashion shows, shootings.
And how? Where have you been modeling before Indonesia?
Before Indonesia, I've been in Thailand, Malaysia, Italy, Turkey, Lebanon,
Oh, so many countries.
India.
Wah, ini benar-benar model internasional dong. Oh, so cool ya. And how it's like Indonesia comparing, because you have such a big experience, how it's like Indonesia comparing to the other countries?
Yeah,
Like,
that's true. Actually, Asia for me it's like another world, different.
comparing to the rest
Yeah,
of the...
it's like different world, and I like it so much. I like Asia. I like climate here.
It's very hot, yeah?
Yeah, weather, nature, food, people, everything. I
Oh,
enjoy
really?
so much.
And what do you think is what do you like best about Indonesia, while you've been here?
I like people. They
Oh,
are
very
so
nice, yeah.
smiley and kind. It's really different from Europe.
Yeah, I know,
More
right?
open.
Yeah. And so jadi dia bilang juga sama seperti semua orang bule ya baru datang ke Indonesia. Apa yang paling suka di Indonesia, orangnya yang ramah, baik, selalu senyum. Begitulah kita semua, karena beda banget dari Eropa itu. Saya sudah beberapa video ceritain begini juga, yang kalau lagi ngomong sama teman-teman saya dari Eropa pasti bilang ini. Okay, Sophie, so what is your experience with Indonesian food so far?
It was good experience. Actually, I'm in love with Indonesian food, like in food in Asia as well. I'm not afraid of spicy.
Salah satu bule yang suka makanan pedas.
And I'm vegetarian, so here, because of this always warm weather, you can find a lot of vegetarian food, vegetables, fruits.
And so many unique vegetables. Yeah, we don't have back home.
Yeah, sure. In Ukraine, I cannot find.
Right, there are so many. Jadi Sophie vegetarian. Jadi dia bilang karena di sini musimnya selalu panas. Dia bisa dapat makanan banyak kayak sayur atau buah, dan unik banget karena kita di Eropa karena punya 4 musim, jadi ya buahnya atau sayurnya selalu sama gitu.
Like tempeh, so
Like
unique,
tempeh, right?
yeah.
Unique. We don't have it in Europe. We have soybeans, but tempeh like that I've never seen before.
Yes.
Even in like Europe we have like this Chinese restaurant or this Asian restaurant.
Yeah.
But I've never
the taste
seen it
is
before.
not like here. Yeah.
Tuh kan, jadi makanan Indonesia dia suka banget. Apalagi dia bisa makan pedas, luar biasa. Very nice. Oke, jadi sekarang karena Sophie ada di rumah saya dan udah jam siang, saya mau invite saya makan siang bersama saya. So Sophie, I was telling my subscribers because you're in my house today and it's almost lunchtime, we should grab some food. I already prepared it in the kitchen.
Such a nice surprise.
You see? Let's go get it. We got kids as well. So many kids. Here, so I will get the plates. And what's inside is still surprise. Okay. Here is one plate for you. With a spoon and a fork. What else about Indonesia, or I think Asia in general? Every time they eat, they never give knives.
Yes, I
Right?
know they eat like
All the time. Yeah. This is called krupuk. It's like, I don't even know what it is actually, but it's very tasty. Yeah, so this gado-gado, the taste is even like very unique for me because like we have nothing like this back home, right? Nah, jadi ini gado-gado buat saya juga unik banget rasanya karena kita di Eropa sih belum pernah coba gitu. Jadi ini pertama kali waktu saya di Indonesia juga pertama kali coba. Tapi sih kalau saya makan daging juga, jadi variasi buat saya lebih banyak gitu.
even tofu here.
Tofu ya, tofu, tempe, it's even.
So vegetarian, it's happy in Indonesia.
Right?
I'm so lucky. Yes.
But you're vegetarian, not vegan, right?
Yeah, I can eat eggs.
Okay. It's like you can have it for breakfast, lunch, dinner, whenever you want. It's also very healthy, so
Yeah.
there are only vegetables and peanut sauce.
Peanut sauce, I love it.
Egg also, so you see when you're vegetarian, from the egg you get the protein as well.
Yeah.
Very nice. Oh, jadi saya senang banget. Tuh, Sophie sampai habis gado-gadonya. Sukses, yay!
Happy girl.
Happy girl?
Yes.
Happy tummy, happy girl. Okay, so Sophie, now I have another very Indonesian surprise for you. A drink.
Wow.
It's called susu jahe. Do you know that?
No.
Have you ever heard?
No.
I bet you have never tried as well because you need to be real Indonesian to try it. So today will be a real Indonesian. Jadi saya mau kasih Sophie juga susu jahe. Kayaknya dia suka apa enggak ya? Itu susah banget kalau bulan suka itu. Aku mau lihat reaksinya karena rasanya pedas ya. So you said like you can eat a little bit spicy, ya?
Yeah, I love
Because
it.
you know like the ginger.
Yes.
So this is like a ginger drink with milk. So we will try to give it to you, see if you like it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I will bring it, yeah? Wait for me. I will take the plate as well.
We finished everything.
Everything, you see? Nah, saya ambil plate juga karena udah kosong. Dan mau antar minumannya. Ta-da! Here, Sophie.
Oh, it's warm.
Yeah, usually they are drinking it like super hot. So
Even
it's like,
when you're outside?
yeah, when you're outside, that's when they drink it usually. So if you're like your body is not feeling well, or like you have a flu, or right, or like your
ginger
throat,
really helps.
yeah, helps. Jadi kan orang Indonesia ya biasa suka kan susu jahe, tapi yang penting kalau sakit harus minum karena kayak jamu gitu ya. Jahenya sehat banget. Are you ready to try?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
I like it.
You like it?
Yes. It's not so sweet.
Yeah, of course.
I really like it.
I really don't like it. Jadi hari ini saya mau kasih Sophie lihat kalau dia suka atau enggak. Ini sebenarnya pedas banget buat saya dan rasanya kayak aneh gitu. Nggak tahu, tapi tuh Sophie suka. Dia suka semua kayaknya dia cocok jadi orang Indonesia asli juga ya.
So give it to me.
Oke. Dia yang mau ambil. Silakan minum semua. You really like it?
Yes, I thought it will be like so sweet because of ginger, like they put to balance, but no, I like it.
You like it? Luar biasa dia dong. Kata-kata suka, susu jahe suka, makanan pedas suka. You like everything, huh? like, but is there like anything you don't like? Like, I don't know, like, have you ever tried something Indonesian that you didn't like?
I don't remember.
You don't remember? Luar biasa, dia semua suka kalau makanan Indonesia, minuman tuh suka juga. And maybe we can make another video with you drinking some very traditional. It's a very traditional drink, but that you drink when you're sick. So like it's like they have here something like masuk angin. Masuk angin is like when wind enters your body, you know, and you're bloated or you're burping and everything. So or you have fever. So here in Indonesia, they love a lot to keep it the traditional way, so the healthy way. So yeah, if you ever don't feel good, we will make a video about it. Nah, jadi saya ceritain ke Sophie kalau orang Indonesia lebih suka ke obat tradisional seperti jamu atau kalau nggak enak badan atau kalau masuk angin, kalau sariawan, semua kan ada minumannya pasti jamu. Jadi ya saya pengen kasih juga jamu ke teman-teman bule saya. Okay, so you like the drink, ya?
Yes.
Great. Oke, jadi begini video saya dan teman saya Sophie dari Ukraine hari ini. Sophie, maybe you can tell my subscribers what is your Instagram, where they can find you, kalau pengen lihat atau bagaimana fotonya Instagramnya.
Yeah, you can find me in Instagram, so follow us.
Follow Sophie, nanti kita ada linknya di bawah ya di deskripsi. Atau mungkin di sini juga, siapa tahu bisa masukin.
Thank you so much for having me today.
Thank you very much for being here today.
Such a nice lunch.
Iya sih. Dia senang banget hari ini, aku jadi senang juga kalau dia senang. Kalau suka video ini jangan lupa subscribe,
Like and comment.
dan loncengnya juga ya. Terima kasih dan
Sampai jumpa
di video selanjutnya. Dadah.
Waking up this morning, the last thing